Hey, how's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to import a table from an external data source with a linkage in Excel. So let's say I want to import this data set, 2012 SAT results table. If we look at this table, this is what the table looks like. And we have 478 rows. Now if we go to the top, we have this export function. We can import this table as a CSV file, TSV file, XML, RDF, or RSS file. And if I click on CSV, and it's going to prompt me to download the file. Alright, so instead of downloading the file, I'm going to right click on CSV, and I want to copy the download link. Now I'll go into my Excel spreadsheet. And to import the data, I want to go to the Data tab, Get Data. Then I want to choose from other sources. And here we have this option from Web. Click on that. Right, so it's going to see this window right here. And we have two options, Basic and Advanced. Advanced allows you to make a request code, which is going to be a little more advanced. And I'll cover how to use the advanced feature in another video. But for now, I want to go to Basic. And I'll paste the download link. Click on OK. And you should get this preview window. And because the first row is containing the column headers, so I want to click on Transform Data. And from this data set, I want to use first row as the column headers. And I can do that by going to Transform and click on Use First Row as Headers. At this point, you can perform additional operations or transformation to the data set. And if you're happy with the result set or the table itself, then we can load the data by going to Home, Close and Load. And here's the table that linked to the 2012 SAT results data set. Alright, so this is going to be everything I'm going to share in this video. And hopefully you guys found this video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.